Hey everybody, welcome back again to my channel, Geek Pop. My name is Ricky, and I'm here for round two of my Cute but Deadly Series 4 figurine openings. As I said before, I was at the 99-cent store, and I was looking through the toy section, because you never know what you're going to find there, right? I've been finding some Funko Pops and everything. Found the Horizon Zero Dawn ones that I've opened on this channel before. Came across the Cute but Deadly ones, and I found an entire case. So I went ahead and bought them, because for $2.99 as opposed to paying $10 when they originally came out, that's quite a steal. So I bought the entire case. So this is round 2 of 3. So I still have another 6 that I'm going to open up later on. But for right now, let's get into round 2 and let's see what we get with this one. So let's go ahead, move these to the side, and let's get to opening these babies. These are not like the Funko ones. These boxes don't open too easy, which is a little annoying, because it's like, if they made it easy to open, I'd appreciate it a little bit more, but it is what it is, you know? So for this first one, get this trash out of here. We got ourselves another Torbjorn. So really cool about that. I gotta make sure to keep these ones with their bases, because apparently when I found out the last time, their bases match who they are, and it took me forever to figure out how to put them together. So let's go ahead and keep their bases with them this time. Let's not make mistakes, so it takes me forever to figure out how to put them together. But we got a Torbjorn in the first one. Sorry about the loud crinkling and everything, you know, that's just the way this goes. And who do we have here? Oh, what's his name? Valrock, right? I believe it's Valrock. So that's a really cool looking figure. That's kind of awesome. Let's go ahead and keep you your base. Wonder how long I'll be able to put them there before I get... I got a Diva last time. Kind of really hoping for another Diva. So, got this one open. Feels like a light one. And I'm not gonna lie, got myself a Diva. So, I'm really stoked about this. Mainly, it's gonna be a bit hard to get out of here. There we go. Mainly, so that I can keep my Diva that I got the last time, and I can give this one for my wife, so she can put on her desk instead of her trying to steal my Diva. Go ahead and check out another box here. Sorry about that, my kid is waking up at 3 in the morning for I don't know what reason. And to make sure he went back to bed instead of, I don't know, 3 in the morning. What's the kid doing awake at 3 in the morning? What am I doing awake at 3 in the morning? I have insomnia. I don't sleep anyway. And let's see here. Oh, we got ourselves a Genji. And, oh, make sure you don't break. We got ourselves a Genji, and where did his base go? Oh, his base never came out of the pack. Okay, good. I was like, don't tell me to lose the Genji base, because that would really sad. But that's a pretty sweet looking Genji there. Alright, 2 more boxes in this one, guys. And girls, men and women, he, she, they, whatever you want to be called. Definitely friendly and inclusive on this channel. So if you're not friendly and inclusive, you can leave right now. I don't want you as a viewer if you're not. But just so you know, we're friendly and inclusive on this channel. Forgive me if I constantly refer as guys, it's just the way I grew up. But I'm trying to change that. And what do we have here? We have... Oh, we got Sylvanas. We got Sylvanas. I'm awesome. Not I'm awesome. This is awesome. This is awesome. Oh, wow. That's really cool. I love Sylvanas Windrunner. She's like one of my favorite Warcraft characters. Ever since playing Warcraft 3, I was always drawn to the character. So to see her character progression through WoW has been kind of awesome. But as we move on here, this is the last box. So let's go ahead and check this last character out to make sure everything falls out. Alright. And we got another Varric. Did I call him Varnock last time? I'm trying to remember what their names are. So it's either Varnock or Varric. Please somebody tell me down in the description below. So, got ourselves another Varric. Or Varnock. I'm not sure. Now I'm lost. Anyway, that's really cool, right? And voila, now fully assembled. It took me a little while to figure out how to assemble these things. But yeah, these are pretty awesome. I really like these figures. I hope to find more next time I go. I like going to the 99-cent store, you know, get some good snacks, but it's always nice to find some of these like cool little surprises you wouldn't expect to see there. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please drop a like, share, and subscribe, especially if you haven't already. And I hope to see you all in the next video. This has been Ricky for GeekX Pop. See you all later.